Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Tuesday, the 21st of September, and as always, we're going to pick two stocks within the ARK ETF innovation, and we're going to see what could happen in the near-term future. So, basically, here you have the chart of Pinterest. Ticker symbol is PINS. Basically, this chart is quite compelling, at least to my eye. So, as you can see from the top of February 16th, we've had 3 waves down, directional wave B, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly now we're in the making wave 5, half high degree C, half high degree 2. So what does it mean? Basically, if we zoom out, I do expect this correction to be completed anytime soon, and if I am correct, we should see a pretty significant rally to the upside. What could go wrong? Well, so first of all, let me tell you that we are near some interesting levels. If we compare wave C to wave A, very common thing in the other wave world, we see that equality is quite close at slightly below $50. And as well as that, if we bring the RSI, we start to see bullish divergence. The RSI is something I personally use as a confluence tool, but of course, alone it doesn't mean much, at least to me. And however, if we do measure the retracement of wave 2, we see out that is 23.6%, which usually we like to see it a bit deeper, but considering it's such a significant degree of structure, I will be fine with that. So as I was saying, let's say what could go wrong is basically all this is just the wave A, and then we go up before wave B. So if we go up for wave B, I wouldn't like to see this highs being broken but being respected, especially this one, the first one at the beginning of July. And then we go back down for wave C. So that's a possibility. Otherwise, I would stick to this bullish view. No matter what count, the implication for the short to middle term will be the same. So let's move on to the next one, which is Pinduoduo. Ticker symbol is PDD. So here we had a pretty interesting correction. Was a 335, so flat. A triangle in B, down C for wave A, very tiny wave B, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave C with very interesting wave. So first of all, if we compare wave C to wave A, once again, let's see where that takes us. Look at that, dry spot on equality. That is just beautiful to me. And second, I believe wave 5, usually we compare wave 5 to wave 1. Yeah, wave 5 is also very close to equality. Another very common target for wave 5 based on the wave principle. So here, let me take you to do this. I'll take you, let's start on the 4 hour. So here, actually, let's just go directly on the hourly. So here I think there's two possible scenarios. Let's say the bullish one with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, down for A, up in B, and then here we're going down. So let me adjust the degree. So basically it will be something like this. If not, then I don't know, maybe a slightly more sideways A, small b, and then directional B. That's also possible. Either way, some kind of correction. This pattern, I think you would agree, it looks corrective, bullish corrective. So, but what concerns me is, what if this is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but what if this is A, B, C? If so, then this is also ABC, and then again we should get at least 5 ways up, but then we should resume to the downside. So we'll see. But once again, for the here it's a bit more short term, but the implications are the same. So that is it for me today. Let me know if you have any remarks to make. I'm happy to read the comments always, and leave a like if you'd like, if you appreciate the content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.